Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. This is our Zettelkasten week, and this is our opportunity to help you put all the stuff you've been learning into your Zettelkasten where you can find it again, or maybe it's experience collection that you'll be adding to. Victoria, what are you teasing us with?
Well, I thought I would go just a tiny bit rogue this week, and I think I might have you create a new kind of collection.
Hmm.
Maybe it could go in your experience collection, maybe it could go in a whole new choice of your choosing. But let's stretch our Zettelkasten a little bit this week, and let's create something that you can work with both time and space and start building out some solutions to what may be story problems you've experienced. I'm not going to tell you any more, but come back because I think it'll be helpful. Kathleen?
Okay, that sounds really terrific. Well, this month, what we're going to do in Zettelkasten Week is I'm going to break down the characters. Now, if you joined LiLLiPub and signed up for our list, you got a list of all of the character traits. Well, we're going to dive into our character trait of patriotism and show what happens when you break that up. So you'll get to see one path for this month's character trait and where you're going to put all of the stuff you're learning and how you might tie that back to experiences when you use them. So come on back tomorrow and we'll give you some more. See you then. Bye bye.